Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately. Cue the Rolling Flats night route job labeled Diamond Hall and confirm your level 12 crew or better. Once done, equip a thermite charge and a quiet pick in your 2 active loadout slots so you can breach quietly and then open precision locks. Make sure your locomotive boost is charged. It shortens timer windows when you approach the vault. You're starting the action now, no extra prep beyond those essentials. Move to the run and keep engines ready. You roll up at reduced speed to trigger the vault's lock minigame, and you must start the precision sequence immediately. Once it begins, use the quiet pick to hit 3 timing windows, focus, steady breaths, small joystick taps. If you miss and alarm starts, deploy the thermite charge without delay to finish the breach before guards converge. Thermite burns through the outer plate even under pressure. After the breach, secure the cargo crate and start the extraction timer. Do not linger near open doors. You grab the labeled crate immediately. That crate is the only source of the diamond nugget on this job. Once in your hands, move straight to the extraction point, maintain a clear line of travel, and block off flanking paths because you need 18 seconds uninterrupted to complete extraction. If extraction fails or the crate is lost, reset the run and adjust. Swap quiet pick for a faster tool or practice the timing windows. Troubleshooting tip: if alarms consistently ruin
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.